Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you make picture move in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, to make picture move, I'm selecting this PNG picture here, and after that, if you need to move this picture around this screen, you can just do it. So let's just double click on this and you can move it like this, but we won't do that because if the video runs, the picture won't be moving. So to move this picture, you can just put some keyframes on position and scale. You can also choose rotation as well. So let's first choose the position. So make this playhead at the beginning and give keyframes by clicking here, and scale also. And after that, you can just also give rotation if you want. So click on it again. Now let's just move your playhead like 1 second, and let's just move this position by simply clicking your mouse, long press on it, and just move your mouse like this. You can also change its size by scaling like this. You can change this rotation. You can just again make it like once again ahead and move it to the last like this, and change the rotation. And you can just also change its size like this. Now let's just see it. So guys, that's how you can move picture in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.